Now that you've got your boss firing back, we're going to actually have to take the boss's health down with Biggle's fire, so we're going to work that out. First off though, we'll have to make sure all your baddie fires are away, so as soon as the game starts we'll just put them to a hide, and you can drag and drop that code from any of your boss's fire to another one. So if I just drag and drop that down onto the other boss fire, you'll see that will then appear on that one too. So we've got both of those there. So the boss's fire won't appear at the beginning of the game, but it will appear if these things are happening. Now, what we're going to do is go back to the boss, and say if he gets hit, his life health is going to go down. Okay, so we're going to carry on off the one that we got here to finish off the code. This is just going to say forever if touching the bullets, he's going to die. Now, we have actually done this before a little bit on the balloons, haven't we? So why don't we get one of the balloons, and we've got that if touching this bullet changed to these different costumes. So we can drag and drop that code onto our boss, and then if you click back on the boss, there we go. We don't need the beginning bit anymore, we can scrub that, and there we go. We're going to be changing some slightly different things here, aren't we? So what we can do is we can get rid of this switching costume, because we're not going to be doing that until the end once he's actually crashing and burning. But we're going to maybe make him flash so it's clear that he's actually been hit by your bullets. Now you can do that on the looks over here, which is very useful. You can change your brightness, this is probably the best way of doing it, by 25. That's perfectly fine. And then we can change the score by whatever you want to change the score. Maybe you want to make the score go up a little bit whenever you hit him, and you want to change the boss health down at the same time. So depends how quickly you want your boss to die. I'm just going to make him go down quite slowly, so -2 maybe at a time. Okay, and then once he's lost a bit of health, you want to not let him just keep losing health too quickly, because it is a machine gun fire. So let's make it a little bit of a wait after that. And also we can get the brightness to go back down now, can't we? So we'll change the brightness by -25 this time. Okay, so if the boss health is at 0, we want it to be doing something different though. We want him to say no and make it clear that you've finished the game. So we'll put another little if in here whilst that's happening. We'll say if, I seem to click with the wrong button, my mouse sometimes, if the boss health, let's have a look, now you might shoot him and it might get to the point where it actually gets to less than 0, so we'll say if it's equal to 0 or less than 0, that it will keep saying oh no. So if the boss health is equal to 0 or boss health is less than 0, so there's a bit of boolean in there, we'll just make sure that it sets it to 0, just so that it doesn't keep going down -0, because that wouldn't look very cool once you've finished shooting him. And we'll get him to say oh no. Okay, so say no. So just get that code in there for now. Make sure you've got that. As you can see, it says if touching those bullets. Don't worry about leaving this bit separately for the moment. Make sure you've got those different sections in there. Pause the video if you need to look at it, and put it to the side of the screen whilst you're using it. Okay, once you finish that bit, you're ready to move on to the next.